It is going to be rather chilly over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal this Tuesday, and we also going to be seeing lots of thunderstorms across the eastern half of the country. We already have the unsettled weather going on all the way from the northwest down into KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. The rest of the Eastern Cape is also cloudy with some steady rain going on around Port Elizabeth, Graafrenet, as well as Makhanda. Just a bit of drizzle this morning for the south coast, but that will go away later on. Now we are going to be seeing mostly scattered to widespread thunderstorms and rain showers over much of eastern South Africa, where you see the dark shade of blue and the shade of purple. The lighter shades of blue represent where we are going to be seeing isolated rain and thunder showers. Now in the next 24 hours it is going to be pretty wet for the eastern areas. The rainfall accumulation map here shows us the rainfall totals that you can expect in 24 hours until Wednesday morning, and heavy rains are possible over the Mpumalanga Highveld, where you see that blob of purple. Totals there could easily reach 50 millimeters. Now the South African Weather Service has issued a level 1 warning for severe thunderstorms that are expected to produce large hail and damaging winds over the easternmost areas of the Eastern Cape, across western KwaZulu-Natal, the eastern parts of the Free State and northwest, much of Gauteng, and over the western sections of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. So over the northeastern areas it is going to be partly cloudy with scattered to widespread thunderstorms, particularly over southern and northwest and parts of Gauteng, where highs in the lower 20s are forecast for Johannesburg and Pretoria. It will stay pretty warm around the Limpopo province, highs in the upper 20s for Tawazimbe and Polokwane. Palabora gets away with partly cloudy skies, warming to 31 degrees. Very unsettled this Tuesday for much of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. It is going to be rather chilly for the interior of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with top temperatures here barely reaching the mid-teens in most areas. Rainy weather is also forecast along much of the east coast, where mostly cloudy skies are expected, but Port Elizabeth could see just a few sprinkles of rain and should warm to around 21 degrees this afternoon. There is also a chance of a few sprinkles of rain around Somerset East. It is going to be chilly for the town with a high of 15. Cold as well for Graafrenet, peaking at just around 16, and we're expecting mostly sunny and pleasantly warm weather for the bulk of the Western Cape. A bit of rain as well around Jeffreys Bay, but that should go away later on. We should stay with partly cloudy skies around Plettenberg Bay and Muscle Bay. Light to moderate onshore winds are expected for the south coast, and here we are also expecting swells of around 2 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest. In the Northern Cape, we should see lots of sunshine in most parts, and it is going to be nicely warm in most areas. Sunny as well for the west coast, with thermometers reaching the lower 20s in most areas. Cape Town hitting the 20-degree mark, and a fresh southerly breeze is forecast for the mother city. And we're expecting swells of around 2.5 meters off the west coast, with the swell coming from the southwest. And the high tide is expected just after 11 this morning. Now on Wednesday, we are going to stay with sunny weather over the western areas, with warmer daytime temperatures in most areas. It will stay pretty unsettled for the eastern sections, with cool to mild afternoon temperatures. Then on Thursday, the rain starts to ease down over the northeastern areas. It will become dry in KwaZulu-Natal. Sunny and hot weather is forecast for the western half. That's all we have time for now. Over to you.